The Model 7000 provides additional wiring for air conditioning to heat pump conversions. It extends the wiring between the thermostat, indoor unit, and heat pump, allowing a two-stage heat pump to function over a 4-wire thermostat cable and 2-wire condenser cable. In this example, we will show how the Model 7000 is wired in a typical heat pump installation. The Model 7000 has 3 components: the sender, indoor unit module, and heat pump module. The sender connects to the thermostats R, C, W, Y1, Y2, G, and OB terminals, as well as the 4-wire thermostat cable. It is placed inside the wall at the thermostat. The indoor unit module connects to the indoor units R, C, W, G, Y2, and OB terminals. It will also connect the 4-wire thermostat cable and 2-wire condenser cable. It is placed inside the indoor unit's wiring cabinet. The heat pump module connects to the heat pumps R, C, W, Y1, Y2, and OB terminals, as well as the 2-wire condenser cable. It is placed inside the heat pump's wiring cabinet. The thermostat can now control G, Y1, Y2, OB, and W using only a 4-wire thermostat cable and a 2-wire condenser cable. The heat pump module can control the indoor unit's heating system in defrost mode. Additionally, an outdoor thermostat can be used to support fossil fuel or supplemental heat mode. For more information about the Model 7000, visit our website at www.fast-stat.com.